remaining one is for inside here.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So in the beginning of this video you could see where a box with like fresh produce came for me, and yeah, it came with eggs and what they call it, like tomato, tatashe, I think shombo. They didn't come with the tatashe, shombo, cabbage, and just some other things. So I'm going to, what they call it, the last batch that came, I have almost finished using it. The blended one that I have, I'm on the last bowl, so this is the perfect time to actually restock now. You guys, excuse my hair tie and everything because I'm just coming back from the market. I'm using today to cook, stock up, just everything. But yeah, you guys, this is a crate of tomato that came from me, and usually this will go for 12,000. This is a crate of tomato, but let me pour some other things as well, so just hold on. So you guys, this is habanero pepper, and if you're to buy this, a pack like this is, I think, is 1,500. So I will share this because we are going to wash it. It's very hot. I forgot to buy the glove actually in the market because it is very, but this is fresh from the farm. Fresh from the farm. It's not just only me that is going to be using from this, so I'm going to give a couple of people from this because of course you know I can't finish everything. So okay, and then this is shombo. The tatashe has not come. It will come. So this is shombo, and then we have cabbage. I think about 6 pieces of cabbage. 6 pieces of cabbage. So fresh. You guys, what we enjoy here in Nigeria is actually organic food. You can't even lie. Organic food. This is 3. It's supposed to be 6. Hold on here. It's supposed to be 6. Only me can't use all the things. So I'll have to give out, but let me shift it a little bit so that you guys can see it clearly. You guys fly because we opened the back of this door so that air will come in. So I'm thinking I will start sorting everything out and share the tomato that I'm giving, share the cabbage and everything. I pack them inside different packs for people I want to give it to before I just wash off this one, and then we go and head out for blending actually. Woo! It's a lot of work, and I want to make afang soup. I want to make okra. I want to make stew. You guys, before I even start, I don't know who sent me to go and eat. I'm going to go and eat, and then before to even now start washing all these things and blending. Lord is my strength, but let's go on. Found it very well now. Like this. It's like pound it. Good job.
started, well, I've bought it in Android, but the big stock, and you want to put this in matches so that you don't get.
You guys, cooking is a massive special affair. World breaking affair.
I mean, customer doesn't like watching affair, that's why I'm taking extra precaution. So you're going to add anything like, what are you going to add fish and fried fish, you know, it's a mix better, you understand? Make sure you taste your guys now. I'm going to taste it and you so you want to taste it to make sure that everything is inside there. Your taste buds. Then, as you can see, I like that much of this stuff.
The Isam you went to break down for me. I save them for their next cup of soup. Okay. Sure, but not yet. Not even the fork, but not.
You did text your rapper where you don't see something.
They still their way. Come on. It's okay.